Well, I think you can figure out what we did for today on our Moab trip. Sat around the house, drank some coffee, went to a coffee shop, drank some coffee, came back, ate some dinner, and woke up in the morning for a great ride.